Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of this little Parkside crossline laser from Lidl. Let's dive right into it. First, let's take a look at the packaging. It comes in a fairly small box, smaller than I would expect for something that's supposed to have a tripod in it. Let's open it up. As you can see from me struggling, the laser fits very tightly inside the box. That means it won't rattle around in it in transport, but it also means you might damage the box while trying to pull it out. Then there's the tripod and manual. The laser works with 2 regular AA batteries that come with it. It's very easy to put them in, unless you're special like me. In that case, you might need a few tries. When the batteries are in, the laser is very easy to switch on and off, with the big red button on the side. On the top, you have the option to turn only the vertical or horizontal line if you wish to do so. The tripod comes with a detachable plate that's easy to screw onto the laser, especially if you've had any experience with photography. That means that if you happen to have a more decent tripod laying around, you'll be able to use it with this laser as well. The included tripod does the job, but it's very wobbly and small, and setting it up is a pain. This cross level is self-correcting to a small degree, which is nice, but you'll still need to set it up so it's fairly straight. It will start blinking if the tilt range has been exceeded. Another nice feature for such a cheap level. I'd say this product is well worth it for the money. It doesn't take space, and I'll use it fairly often. I don't really see the point of a more expensive tool for most people. Do you have experience with laser levels? Drop a comment and tell me if it's worth it to get a more expensive one. If you found my video useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more of these.